got to feed the dog.
Oh, for the love of all that's holy.
Oh my. So glad I didn't say that.
Engine 51, truck 81, squad 3, ammo 61, structure fire.
Coming or not, rookie, you only get one first fire.
Battalion 25 to Maine. We have a 5-story boarded up structure fully involved. What the hell's out here now? Jason, Severa, we will lose this building. Engine 51, hold back the fire so the truck and squad can search the first floor.
Alright, I want a full primary search. Nothing goes unchecked. Herman, you got Dawson.
Dawson, stay back. Get yourself a supply line over to the hydrant before the engine's reserve runs out, okay?
Loud and clear.
No, honey, just breathe.
The others.
I know, we're in there looking for them right now.
In the basement. There are 15 more.
Chief, we got 15 more in the basement.
Squad 3, truck 81. Redirect to the basement. We have 15 civilians. 25 to Maine. New deal, new deal. We're gonna need an EMS plan too.
Chief, I just been vandalized.
Buy some water, Dawson, before that engine runs dry.
Engine's losing water. We need that new line. Get all stripped.
So if people are dying, we're knocked all apart.
We're losing pressure.
Okay, water's almost gone. Everyone pile.
Chief, we're almost there.
How about water you now? Pile! Now!
Hey! Grab a horseshoe. Follow me.
Dawson, where's that water?
I'll make the run. We'll go when I call for water.
Okay.